Sweet freedom. Indulge without the guilt. Ever felt that pang of regret after indulging in a sweet treat? What if you could satisfy your cravings without the guilt? Creedy here, and I get it. That feeling when you've just polished off something delicious, but then, wham! The guilt monster pops up. It's a proper shame, isn't it? We all deserve a bit of sweetness in our lives, but it shouldn't come with regret. What if I told you that you can have your cake or mousse or cookie, and eat it too without that nasty guilt trip? Today we're diving into the world of guilt-free desserts. We're talking about simple, delicious recipes that will satisfy that sweet tooth and leave you feeling fantastic. Let's get stuck in. First up is an absolute blinder, avocado chocolate mousse. Now, I know what you might be thinking, avocados in a dessert, but hear me out. This isn't just any mousse, it's super creamy, rich, and decadent tasting, packed with goodness. The avocado gives it this incredible velvety texture, full of healthy fats. You won't even taste the avocado, I promise. You'll need ripe avocados, good quality cocoa powder, a natural sweetener like maple syrup or honey, a splash of plant-based milk, and maybe a little vanilla extract. Chuck it all in a blender, whiz it up until it's smooth, and that's pretty much it. Serve it chilled with fresh berries or chopped nuts. Pucka. Next on our list are these gorgeous almond flour cookies. They've got that perfect balance, crispy around the edges, chewy in the middle, and they're packed with flavor. The almond flour gives them a wonderful nutty taste and a fantastic texture, and it's a brilliant alternative to regular wheat flour. You'll need almond flour, a touch of coconut sugar or maple syrup, an egg, a bit of coconut oil or melted butter, and maybe some vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. Mix it all up, dollop them onto a baking sheet, and pop them in the oven. The smell that fills your kitchen is just incredible. These cookies are perfect with a cuppa, great for an afternoon pick-me-up, or even as a little something sweet after dinner. Let's talk about something super cool, literally. Frozen yogurt bites. These little beauties are an absolute lifesaver, especially when it's warm outside. They're incredibly easy to make, customizable with your favorite flavors, and they look so pretty too. The base is simple, good quality natural or Greek yogurt, sweetened naturally with a drizzle of honey or maple syrup. Mix in your chosen fruit berries, mango puree, passion fruit, or even a swirl of lemon curd. Spoon the mixture into a silicone ice cube tray or mini muffin tin, then freeze until solid. You've got delightful little bites of frozen deliciousness, perfect for a quick cooling snack or a light dessert. Sometimes life gets hectic, and you need a quick fix. This is where knowing how to choose a good quality, guilt-free, store-bought option comes in handy. It's about making smarter choices when you're browsing those supermarket aisles. Become a label detective. Look for treats with minimal ingredients, preferably ones you can recognize. Avoid refined sugars, artificial sweeteners, and unhealthy fats. Instead, look for options sweetened naturally with fruit, honey, or dates. Great options include good quality dark chocolate, fruit and nut bars, or rice cakes topped with nut butter and berries. It's about finding those little gems that taste great and won't leave you feeling rubbish afterwards. Last but not least, no-bake cheesecake bites. All the creamy, tangy deliciousness of cheesecake, but without the faff of baking. The base can be made with ground almonds or oats, mixed with coconut oil and dates. Press this mixture into the bottom of a mini muffin tin lined with paper cases. For the filling, use lower-fat cream cheese or a dairy-free alternative, blended with Greek yogurt, sweetened with maple syrup or honey, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Whisk it all together until smooth, then spoon it over your bases. Pop them in the fridge to set. Top with fresh berries, a drizzle of fruit coulis, or a sprinkle of lemon zest. Absolutely gorgeous. So there you have it. 5 delicious ways to satisfy that sweet tooth without guilt. From creamy avocado chocolate mousse to crunchy almond flour cookies, refreshing frozen yogurt bites, smart store-bought treats, and dreamy no-bake cheesecake bites. Remember, enjoying food is one of life's great pleasures. It's all about finding that balance and making conscious choices. These recipes are just a starting point. Feel free to tweak them and make them your own. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to check out the full recipes linked below and share your own favorite guilt-free treats in the comments. Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling, and keep enjoying those sweet moments. Lots of love.